Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing 3 to 5 focused keywords that describe your channel. This determines search signals, so pick specific long-tail phrases. Once done, edit your channel name and the first 100 characters of your description to include the primary keyword, because search and viewers read that first. Make sure to add channel keywords in settings, verify your account, and link social profiles to build authority. These early actions create the foundation that every later optimization relies on. Now, optimize individual videos. Craft titles with your primary keyword near the start and keep them under 60 characters so they don't truncate in results. Then write a description that opens with 1 to 2 strong lines containing keywords, includes timestamps and a clear CTA. Use keyword variations later in the body to capture related queries. Also add tags for context, define chapters, upload a compelling custom thumbnail, and add accurate closed captions. These steps improve click-through rate and watch time signals. Finally, review performance. Check CTR, average view duration, and traffic sources every 7 to 14 days so you know what drives growth. Once you see patterns, /B test thumbnails and titles, and update older videos with new keywords, cards, and end screens to revive impressions. If things go wrong, low CTR or watch time, metadata mistakes, or delayed indexing, revisit thumbnails and first 15 seconds, correct tags and descriptions, and resubmit the video by making a small edit to prompt recrawl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.